Billmaster offers a variety of features for your scheduling and appointment management needs. This example shows that Billmaster has opened up and shown you initially the scheduled appointments for this current week. Notice, this is an advanced grid. There's the text that says drag a column here to group by that column. Not only are the appointments shown for the week, you can either type in below these column headers to search for those matching strings, in this case all of Glenn's appointments, or simply drag the column header and drop it into the top here. You'll notice that automatically Glenn and Jimmy's schedules are grouped together. But let's go to the main menu of Billmaster and look more of other scheduling features. To access the calendar or schedule, click the Calendar tab. Then, to see the classic drag and drop calendar, press the Calendar button. This will display your technicians across the top and then all of the appointments for those technicians. It's a true drag and drop calendar, so simply to reassign this one to Jamie, I'll just drag it over and move it to here. If I want to see the access of any appointment, I double click on it and see the detail of it. I can add notes, change dates, services, etc., all from this one screen, and then just hit Update Appointment. Again, simple drag and drop. You're allowed to just select with your mouse to see those appointments on the screen here. If you go backwards, you'll notice that some of these items are green. That indicates that they're done. Done means that it's within the transaction file. So for any of the services that you see here, these are transactions or invoice items that appear in the accounts transaction file. A 1 indicates that it's done. A code 905, which is color-coded to orange, means it's not serviced yet, or it's a pending charge. Those are automatically added when you print out your routes sheets. To see a more grid-like view of your calendar, just press this button here, Schedule and To Be Done. This will show, again, all of the appointments within the selected date range. It defaults to the current day and the next day. Notice that these are your appointments. Again, to find technicians, you can simply visualize it or just type the technician's names to see their appointments for that day, or a corresponding route. Likewise, you can use the Find Nearest button to select customers and find the nearest customers that are within an existing appointment. These are sorted by distance from this customer. So then you could select what makes the most sense to try and schedule this customer near another existing appointment in the future. Also, you have access to all of the information when you select that customer. Notice that when I select the appointment row, it updates this information here about the appointment. But I could also jump into their account information, their transaction information, and see all the prior transactions to the account. Notice the payments and charges. I can also quickly see their scheduled appointments for the entire year. Just click this little folder anytime you see it in Billmaster, and it shows all the appointments that are scheduled for that customer and the up-and-coming times and dates and what that service would be. You can reschedule and update appointments, mark them as pending or skipped, and a variety of other functions within Billmaster. Also, when you're ready to print out those invoices, you'll simply select Print from Routes from Calendar Schedule, pick your date range that you'd like to do, and in this case, it's going to print out those people in the route style number 55, which is what I have chosen here. This is a simple listing of the accounts with their appointment information, notes, and other balance due information, phone numbers, and so on. This can also print out summary sheets for you. This will allow you to reconcile your routes for the day. It can also be printed out by technician or route. These are some of the features to make your life easier with routing and scheduling. Again, all forms and appointments can be customized from the existing